Oh yes, securing a remote job. Listen, that remote job must come in the tech space. Yes, it's very important you understand that the remote jobs really is or are the in thing today. So welcome again to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what it means to gain a hands-on experiences. Come on. So if you're just joining my channel for the very first time, I'm a tech coach, life coach, career coach, name them. Sometimes you're going to be hearing me talk about weight loss, because you need to stay healthy. Oh yes, you need to stay healthy when you are doing things. Absolutely, you need to stay healthy. But today, my focus is going to be on what hands-on. When I mean hands-on, you cannot come into the tech space without learning hands-on. So, many of you still do not see the need to have a computer, a laptop, and that's a problem. Because if you don't have a laptop, seeking for a remote job will be very challenging. And like many of you who are in developing countries like motherland Nigeria, you know that we don't have a lot of job opportunities over there. So if you've attended college, one best way to secure a job is to look out for jobs across the Atlantic. Sure you get. So you cannot say, all right, you have gotten a job in Nigeria and that's all about it. Listen, one remote job can change your entire life because they're going to be paying you in hard currency. Meanwhile, you live in Nigeria. I have a lot of my mentees. Now look at this, my mentee who lived in Nigeria at the time. He secured a job that was offering him $5,000 per month. This is the job offer here. Look at it. Look at that job offer there. Yes, $5,000 a month. He lives in Nigeria, but this was a job offer for him in Nigeria. So you can also secure this kind of a job. You can. So, but what will help you to secure this job is when your skill acquisition is well optimized. So if you don't have a laptop, everything you want to do them on your phone. I know motherland is mobile driven economy, but do yourself a favor. That money that you used to buy an expensive iPhone, expensive Samsung phone, you can buy yourself a laptop so that you can learn some of the tools that will make you sellable in the job market. You see, here on my platform, Zeed Worldwide, I have a hands-on class for business analysis, product managers, scrum masters, even those of them that are taking data analysis. We get you up to speed. So people come to class with the phone. So how do you learn with your phones? For example, there is a hands-on class for business analysis, product managers, scrum masters. So this hands-on class require you to have a laptop. If you are coming from outside to join that class, it's going to cost you $120. This is a flyer. It holds every single month. The link is below this profile and then, or below this video, sorry, you can click and register for the class. So if you know you want to get into tech and get hired, you need the hands-on experience, and that will demand you having a laptop or having a desktop. If you don't have any of those, for God's sake, how do you want to be competitive? You cannot do all those things you do on your phone. This is not cut and CapCut that you use to edit your content videos. No. This has to do with you practicing the tools or the things that you need to do. Like, there are many platforms that you can learn some of these tech skills like Udemy, Coursera, and the likes. So let's say you have a phone and a laptop. You can use your phone to visualize and then use your laptop to practice most of those things that you need to be able to understand. Sure you get. It's very important. It's just very logical that you understand that. When you do that, you'll be fine. Yes, you'll be fine. But if you choose not to get yourself a laptop, you rather go and spend 1 point something million to buy a phone, that part part of your remote work is not going to be very effective, because at the end of the day, before you can actually learn a job to now work with the laptop, you need to learn a skill. So please get a hands-on experience in whatever tech skill. Even if you are doing virtual assistants, there are some of those tools, like if you are using Outlook, you need to practice on how to use your Outlook very well. Sometimes there are some of the tools that you need in your area of virtual assistants. If you are doing HR, there are some HR tools that you need to learn. If you are doing data analysis, you need to learn how to use Excel and some other tools. You can learn them on your phone. All right. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, leave your comment, tell me areas that you want me to talk about, and definitely I will do a research and then come talk to you about it. And if you want to join any of my classes, the link is below this video. See you when you